hair is thriving, girl, because these roots are saying, help! I'm talking Pantene. Pantene. I'm trying to do all this with one hand. It is just not turning out. Hey guys, so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm back with a hair tutorial. Today, I'll be sharing with you guys how I got these amazing day one results. Wait for it. You ready? Using all drugstore products. I'm literally using one shampoo, one conditioner, and one styling product. I know. I know. I was so excited about it. I didn't even change my workout clothes. I am so excited about the results that I got from this line. What line are you talking about, Kiani? Are you asking? Well, I'm talking about the new Pantene Complete Curl Care Sulfate Free line, you guys. Pantene. You guys have no idea how excited I am that Pantene has come out with basically a line that is targeting the curly hair community. And I literally had to run to Walmart as soon as I saw Miss Bianca Renee post this line on her Instagram feed. If you have not followed her, you guys are completely slipping. If you're trying to transition your hair from processed hair to curly hair, she is honestly like the holy grail, all be all, especially with curl types similar to mine. She was probably one of the first hair bloggers that I really started to watch. I've had an opportunity to meet her before when I was just first starting on my natural hair journey. I have to admit, it's so much easier to find you almost like a curly hair twin if you're trying to mimic their results and you're trying to get kind of a little bit of insight on what those products are going to do for your hair. When she said that this was the product to get, I knew I had to run out and get it. I've also had a few of you all tell me that I am your hair twin, so I don't want to be remiss and not try out as many products as possible. The weather's getting a little bit cooler here in the south, so that means that I can really give hair products a good shot, because honestly, when it's 100 and up, there's nothing that's really going to work on my hair that I want to really, share with you guys. I mean, it's really hit and miss. But to have a new drugstore product that works, that I'm familiar with, ooh, girls, I'm excited. For this video, as in all my other ones, I'm having to click it into voiceover. We're still doing learn from home here, so it's just too much noise going on in my house right now for me to really talk you guys through the video when I'm in the process of doing it. I'm going to probably come back on day 2 and 3 on my Instagram, so make sure that you go ahead and follow me on my Instagram at love_Kiani, so you can basically see the day 2, day 3 refreshing method that I use. And I want to see if I can actually get beautiful results or even better results with this product, and see what other products in my already curated little wall of products, see what other products I can actually mix it with and possibly get even better results. But as for now, can I tell you, absolutely amazing results for a completely drugstore routine. So at this point, I'm going to stop babbling. I'm going to kick the video into voiceover, and I'll take you through my routine and let you see how amazing these products are. And I am going to be, this is definitely going to be a spoiler alert, I am a fan. I am a fan. So without further ado, if you want to see how I got these amazing results in my, shall I say, my new drugstore curly hair routine for fall, just keep on watching. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started with this wash day routine. At this point, my hair is probably 3-4 days from being shampooed, and we're going to go ahead and start with this Complete Curl Care shampoo by Pantene, and you'll see that right away it gives me an amazing lather. I absolutely love that, especially when a product claims to have no sulfate, silicone, paraffin, dyes, or mineral oil. I mean, don't we still all love a good lather? I'm going to rinse that and come back and use the Complete Curl Care Sulfate Free Conditioner. This is claiming to tame frizz, give you nourishment for luxurious curls, and perfectly defined curls. So we love that as well. But one more thing about the shampoo, you can tell by how hydrated my hair looks just with the water before any conditioner goes on it. The shampoo did not overstrip my hair. I did feel like it was very soft. It smelled absolutely amazing, and the conditioner also worked very well.
It gave me great slip, also smelled absolutely amazing, and I just really wanted it to penetrate my hair. So I covered it over for about 30 minutes or so. Also used my heat cap, and I'm going to wash that out and go into styling it with the curl affair. This is the curl reshaping cream, and this is actually the only styler that I'm going to use on my hair. I did put it on not dripping hair, but very, very damp hair. And this is where I tend to get the best type of hold to my curls without having to weigh them down with gels and such. So I am going to get my I guess that's my Turby Twist towel, actually add a glove onto my cast so I can actually use both hands as much as possible. And you can see just with the definition that I got with the conditioner that I honestly only want to freeze these curls in space. Obviously they're going to be a little bit more shrunken, but the curl cream I did not see gave me even more shrinkage, and that was perfectly fine. At the point that I was starting with that, I just really wanted to make sure that I was getting moisture and definition, but I also want to get volume. If I can actually get volume with using a curl cream, especially with just using one product, I'm a happy camper, especially while I have this cast on and the weather's starting to change just a little bit here in Georgia, so I can actually stand to have less products on my hair, which means that they're going to dry. My hair is going to dry faster, and it's going to also be less diffusing on my hair. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a whole lot to say that I only use one product, but you know, we can always hope for the best results. So you'll see that I'm sectioning off my hair, and I started with basically 3 quadrants, and then I did equal portions, maybe about 4 pumps on each section of my hair, just to make sure that I coated as much of my hair as possible, mainly concentrating on the ends. I don't want to have frizz on the ends, but I don't use as much product on the roots of my hair, just to make sure that I can get a little bit of lift. I do find that if I use a lot of product on my roots, then it just takes them forever to dry, and then I'm over manipulating the hair, and then I start to encourage the frizz myself. So these are just lessons that I'm learning along the way while I'm trying to deal with my low density hair. So yeah, we're enjoying the look of how the product is definitely very coating to the hair. It saturates the hair. Nice slip again, gives me a nice shine to the hair, but you'll see that I can get volume with using this routine as well. I did have to go in and add a little bit of water just to rehydrate the top part of my hair, which is where it dries so fast. So I think they call that high porosity hair when it dries really quickly like that. I'll have to look at that again, but I think that's what they call it. And you'll see that I just kind of go ahead and style those hairs that are finer in the top of my hair. Just move them around so I can make sure that I'm not going to be exposing a whole lot of scalp, but you'll also see that I get a lot of volume in those areas as well. So the product does work very well. I like the shine. I gave myself enough time to apply my makeup, and that's basically the amount of time that I use to allow my hair to air dry. Some days it's 30 minutes, some days it's 45 minutes. I mean, some days it could be an hour and 30 minutes. And I still end up having a little bit more dampness at the root area, so that's basically where I'm going to concentrate on diffusing. And I will link another video that's showing you guys a better technique on how I'm diffusing my hair, but this is showing you how much volume I got with that product. I grab my pick, kind of volumize the hair out, shake it loose, add on a gloss, and we are good to go. So yeah, I'm liking the results. This is my new Drugstore curly hair routine for the fall. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me 2 thumbs up. Follow me on all my social media links to never miss another upload. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't already.
Hi there, Roots. Ooh, I didn't even do my edges. I got so excited I didn't even do my edges. You don't mind, do you? You don't mind. Just let them live. Let them live.